Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the Fin Right Talk series. And this is the best things which we always love to wait for Saturdays to give this series for your benefit to make sure that you are able to achieve the financial freedom. And today's series is talks about retirement at 45. So I just wanted to know from your views what you are looking at this and how I can help you out to achieve this. So anybody who can unmute and tell about what you are looking and how I can help you out. Anybody? So let me start speaking about myself itself, that I'm trying to talk about how to think about you work only for your passion, not for yourself. When you are financially comfort for monthly payouts, what you require as per the lifestyle. So today's thought is how you think, how fast and how often you have to think about your retirement planning. That's what it called why and what of retirement planning. Success is a journey, not a destination, and journey of making of your dream reality. That's very important. Was the art part. Is it my screen is having all these yellows or? So today's three major part is retirement planning process and tax optimization. So I'm just as normal. I normally says what is the retirement planning, and today we were talking. So I wanted to share the good news. We were 18 years old yesterday. The right horizons. We have completed 18 and started 19. So that's a very good milestone. We all was teasing about. Yesterday we started saying, okay, we became an adult, and that's the last year of a teens. So that's the best mode of anyone's lifeline. And when I was talking to my son, who was 14 years old, I said, you know, the right horizon is going to be 18. And the first thing he came to me and he says, oh, you can get the driving license now. So I said, yes, as per the driving rule, yes, I can get the driving license. But when I wrote it to a few of my customers and I said that we are finishing 18, and that's the best compliment, in a joking way, he came and he told me, being an adult now, you should able to go and drive, but don't drink and drive. So that's another kind of it. But the beauty always comes when the things goes wrong and people help you out. So I'll give you tomorrow. Yesterday's my own experience. I have written that's what it is on that. Can I ask Kunal please to remove the scratches, please? Clear it. So yesterday I was trying to find it out. All the people find giving a congratulations and wishing each other. And something went wrong in my mobile where WhatsApp, anybody is sending a message to me, was going to my customer broadcast automatically. And I didn't realize because I was in a meeting. So suddenly I started getting so many customers meeting quite a lot, people calling me. Then I picked the phone because I was in meeting and I said, what happened? He says, no, this is something has happened in your WhatsApp that all the messages are coming to us. So I thought, okay, let me go and delete. And I was trying to delete. It says delete for me, but not delete for all. That option is only not coming. Then I wrote it that I'm so sorry, I'm not able to delete. So in that instance, full thing, I felt very happy, not because people are congratulating me, but I was getting so many calls how to rectify this error, how they can help me out to make sure that, okay, your WhatsApp is having this, you restart it, you uninstall, you stop it. And that helping nature for us to make people actually more bonded. And that's why I felt yesterday that 18th anniversary was more important, not for, of course, the people supporting us, helping us, and congratulating us, and being our customer for more than 18 years. So many of our customers, more than 95% are with us. We are able to make them achieve your financial goals more than 90%. But how we are as a family helping each other was the best part. The same thing goes for a retirement. So retirement is not where you think that, okay, I am now 60, I am old, I will sit and have a chit chat with my spouse and family and watch TV. It is more about talking about how to make sure that you do what you love to do. A lot of us has done it, what we are not able to do it. Just 1 minute. Uh, Piyush and Idisha, can you just see how to clear it screen? Can I stop and start again? Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Piyush and Idisha.
Yeah.
So, because I can see somebody, it's maybe playing around with the screen. So today when I went and I said, so in a walking group, he says, what is the retirement? So I said, no, actually retirement for me is not a retirement, it's the retirement you like to work across, but not for money, for yourself. And that's where I'm talking about. So today I did a small research on this, and that's what I wanted to say. So I think so next time onwards, I will change the part. So I was thinking how to reinvesting yourself at 45. You are reinventing yourself. So there are so many things comes and things how you can reinvent, and that's where it comes to me also. Like yesterday, somebody asked me as a part of a social media, how long do you want to work? And I said, I will work till my last breath if I'm perfectly fine health wise, because I love what I'm working at. So it is you are reinvesting and reinventing yourself at 45 is what is today's seminar I'm trying to speak about, is retiring, where your financial, you are good enough to take care. You're not going to work for money. If it may be a byproduct, it comes if in case you are doing something for yourself, but it is not the work what you wanted to do for money. And that is where I thought we have to start focusing on reinventing ourselves or reinvesting ourselves at 45. And we started thinking differently, because till now we were talking about self and getting a lifestyle, talking to bringing the best life for our family and all. Now, how to focus on us? How to big, so that's because we were having a party mode yesterday afternoon and evening, we went with another set of families. When we went and somebody told me the same thing, see, I'm actually, they are doing a new product website. And I said, how is the website working and going on? He says, no, it's going very well, but I'm doing very slow, because as on today, without my digital media, without my bigger website, my work is so much and I can easily do double and triple, but I don't want to have a stress level. And that's the reason I'm very happy what I am and I don't want to do. And I said, this is what somebody told me 2 years back. And that's the same answer I gave it to, that I'm very happy, I'm getting earning enough and I don't want it to do the stress. And that person came and told me, Rashna, very few people have the capability to earn more. And if you have that capability, why not? And if you are not wanted for yourself, do it for others. And that just went in my mind very strongly. And that's the time I started working. I don't think so I'm doing to 100 potential for myself, because I know I have a much more potential. But I have improved quite a lot to earn more, to do more for others. And that's where you start thinking that how best you can do. So, of course, nothing to talk about more. Last 2 years itself is talking about how to have a best physical health, take care of our own self, have a best food, simple living. So these are the things which we are trying to do, how to clutter free yourself. I'm sure so many people are, today morning somebody called me for a startup. I wanted to do a wellness. So now few things are been buzzing quite a lot. If you see, it's like it's a organic, it's a health, wellness or health or things, because people have started going into that part of it. But I feel at 45, because I also just crossed few years back, and I always says the best part is to make sure that how you give a challenge to yourself. It's not somebody else challenging. It doesn't matter us nowadays that Today morning, that guy said, Rachna, even somebody gave me the offer of CEO with the highest pays, least bothered for me, because that's where I have already done. So now I'll be doing something else which is much more meaningful. It is much more what is my passion is all about. It's not designation or it's not money. And that's where you will find it out that you give your own challenges and you start thinking how you can do better for yourself and others and do it across. So this is the person's name I'm forgetting. The story came a week, 10 days back as an infographic, and which I loved so much. That guy in 1926 or till 56, he was the person who started taking the oil, and then he became the richest person in the world, if I'm not wrong, 1956, 58 time. And he was very ill at age of 52. And a lot of doctors and hospitals, everybody is told that you have a limited time because you are serious and this cure is not there. Then he started feeling that I have earned enough, I have learned, I have done best, I have not able to spend time. And now only 6 months is left, so let us start doing something for others. And he started doing social cause, started meeting people, started spending time with others. And you will surprised, because it's a life story, you can just go yourself and Google it. He lived till 96. The person who was at 52 was not supposed to be medically told that. So how you change your mind and things works wonder, that's where is the retirement plan at 45 is going to be. So I'll start with the what is the right horizon itself start with. And that's the story of Anil Rego. Good, bad, ugly. I know him from quite long. We both are the classmates, so I knew him from the college time. So that's the reason I knew very well that he was the one person who used to always say that I wanted to retire at 35. So retirement at 45 or 35 at 40 has to come much, much earlier because you need to plan earlier. You can't be saying that at 45, I want to retire at 45 until unless we have already created a lot of wealth by the time. So I'm still talking about a wealth which we need to prepare and make it and make sure what we do, what we love to do. So he was one of them, and that's where we learned. Both of us have started earning around 22 or 23, and I think so. We both started saving from there. And he was very clear that I can't work in a corporate life till 35 and above. I wanted to have my own. And I can tell you at 2001, when we started speaking with our family members, they were very upset because that time it was startup or the having a business was not the thing kind of it, because in our family, none of us have businesses. Of course, business family do encourage, but our family was having, my dad was in army, of course, and their mom is also working. So they always felt that business is a very difficult, you cannot, and when you are earning so much and you are doing so good, why you wanted to have a business? And I still remember he came and asked me, what do you think? Because none of them are comforting that we should start the business or he should start the business. And I remember that day and I told him, it's because you're still you so young, so it's better to start. And if that nothing works, it's okay. You can go back and start working as a salary again. But you should never think that at the deathbed that I wanted to do something and I didn't do it. And he told that day also to me, I remember that I will work for 5 years. And if 5 years things doesn't go back, I will go back and work. And God grace, yesterday we have finished 18 years. So that's the one of the reason I worked 5 years in Infosys to have a one steady income if things doesn't go good. He started at planning that I will make sure that 35, we will have that much of corpus which is required for our family to run. Okay. And he planned so well that he finished 5 years in early. So he started when he was 30 as a Right Horizons to help people to achieve the goal. So most of us, me and Anil and everybody here, our thought is we normally do and tell people what we have done. So he was able to retire. So he may be working now 18 hours or maybe more. But his point is, I am retired and I'm doing what I like to do. So I'm not doing for my money. So he has already planned enough what we required monthly. So that is the passion of a retirement. He did it at 30, but We can make it at 40 or 45, depending on how fast you start planning. None of us is having a succession of getting us so much of money or for things, but we make our own. And that's where it happened. I can say I started retirement at 35 because I joined him after 30, 5 years later, because I also have the same feeling that I wanted to do what I love to do and I'm enjoying it more than anything else. It's like I always believe till I work only for 4 to 5 hours, and I said I spend 5 hours for my family. So that's the best thing anybody can think of. So you decide what you love, enjoy yourself, and that happiness will make you more continuously to do what you like to do. And that's is what today's session talking about. Plan in advance, think in advance what you can think of at 30, 35, 40, 45. There's numbers is just in a number of making financial fitness, but you have to drive what is making you happy. Most of us are not aware is what is going to make us happy. That is what I wanted to do. Only 12% of Indian workforce is covered under pension scheme. None of us is going to get pension. Very, very important part of it. Our previous family, our parents and everybody have a pension. None of us is having. So we have to make sure that our corpus is like a money works for us, or money is the one thing which is having an alternative income. So that is what we have to make sure to do it. 7 out of 10 Indian expect the children to support their retirement. It's a thought process. I can say now it is being changing, but one generation up was expecting the same thing to make sure. So I keep teasing my daughter. I think so that this thing will change because our next generation has got everything like a silver spoon, and they are not saving and they keep spending. So they will be actually dependent on our parents more than the parents are dependent on them. So I keep teasing that. But as on today, yes, our previous generation is expected their kids to take care of it. Only 18% of the investor thinks the retirement is a priority. It's a very, very true. I am one of those people who can get around 5 to 10 new people calling me, meeting them. And most of us, they say, Rachna, retirement is so far. Why we should worry now? I'm so young. I met another person, maybe around 28, 29, and that person says, Rachna, I wanted to give a higher priority to the vacation than a retirement. It is okay if I have a deficit in retirement, but let me have the vacation first. And to my thought process, normally, is the vacation is like a want and retirement is like a need. It's like a must and kind of it. And he says, no, 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 retirement is not a must, but a vacation is a must. So the thought process has started changing. Of course, they have a lot of pros and cons for both the side. His point was valid. If I'm not going and enjoying the vacation now, when I'm old, I may not be able to trek or able to do that. So why not do this? So there, then that time I will find it out. So we should have a balance of both. But yes, to me, retirement is the a very top priority than the vacation. So 76% of working age in India expect comfortable retired life. So we most of the time when I speak about retirement, a lot of time people says, okay, I want a 50,000. But most of their time they never realize that 50,000 today, after 10 years, it may not be 50,000, it may be like a 35,000. So they don't take care of inflation after retirement, even though you're retired. But inflation still continues. So you have to make sure how to plan with the inflation. So I'll have a smaller video. So please let me know if you're able to hear.
We plan and save for all our goals. But what about retirement? 92.6% of working population in India is not covered under any formal pension system. Earning age is reduced due to increasing focus on higher education and desire to retire early. Life expectancy is increasing, and so as medical expenses. This makes the retirement planning the most crucial financial goal. Combination of SIP and SWP of mutual funds can help you to create your own retirement plan. Let's see how. If you start investing rupees 5,000 monthly at the age of 25, through an SIP in equity mutual fund, your retirement corpus would be rupees 1.54 crores. You can switch it to debt mutual fund and start an SWP. With expected return of 6% CAGR, your monthly withdrawal through SWP would be rupees 77,024. When you want to stop receiving it, you can also withdraw the entire corpus. Key to create your own pension-like monthly cash flow is to start early. If you delay your investment by even 1 year, your retirement corpus would be 1.36 crore and monthly withdrawal amount through SWP will reduce to rupees 68,486 monthly. To receive fixed monthly cash flow after retirement, start planning for your retirement with the help of SIP and SWP now. Mutual fund investments.
So this is what we were trying to say. Starting early is a very, very, very important part because the power of compounding we are never able to understand. So this is the one thing which I keep trying to do whenever I'm going for inductions, I'm going for the kids and customers' kids and my daughter's classmates and all. We always think that we have to spend more. And I also believe that spending is good for any economy. But we have to make sure that first you invest and then you do the spending. So as I was talking about that Indian retirement system is not so good. So we have to make sure to have our own pensions. So why we need a retirement planning? Because we are having not much pension, regular pension, the inflation is going high. We are more than anyone, the taxation also continues. You will be surprised to know the pension also is coming as an income. Even though it's not called EEE, it's not exempt. So most of us, even they have been asking to do that. We have a much more income requirement because medical expenses goes higher. So make sure that how we are able to take care of our regular payment. So nowadays people don't use word pension, it goes as a regular payments. The regular payments are regular, you can say money payouts, whatever word you use. It's coming very, very common nowadays. A lot of time people are taking that regular payout tax-free things which takes care of till 99 or till 85. Because PPF, all the fixed returns interests are also going down. Previously, our parents were able to do it easily because FDs and other returns and PPF also was giving 10 to 12%. Now, you will surprised to know last week I got one person who is 55. He said, I have never done any investment other than FD, Rachna. I don't know other than FD. But now I feel FD, I'm giving so much of corpus interest, first of all, less interest and giving us so much of tax also. So I wanted to get into, so I was surprised that the person who is still 55 has done only an FD, suddenly move. And I asked that it's very difficult because you are used to fixed returns. Then he says, no, I'm actually not even getting even 3.5 to 4. So a lot of time people have started doing this. So when he came to me and he says, I wanted to take care of my retirement and all, I have around 5 CR, this and all. So I said, those money and all, we will talk later. But you tell me what you're going to do after 55, you are still young. So I said that you have to occupy your mind. This is what for me, it's more important than money because you have already a comfort of getting a monthly income from that money. So he was very surprised and he said that, I don't know about others, but I wanted to invest with you. I said, why? I have not even spoken what I'm going to do it. He said, you are the only one person who asked me the question of what I will do after my retirement. Everybody said, okay, how much money you want, how much returns you want, how long you want, and they gave me the different proposals. And you were the one person who says that I'll give the proposal later because product and schemes can vary or do anything. But very important part of a retirement for us, and especially when we are thinking 45, we are very, very young. Okay. So this is another topic. I have a friend of ours in US. And he's telling Rachna, I don't know why these topics are coming in India. In US, we are talking other way around that when you're going to retire at 65, 70, 75. because the way it is going on, we may not be able to sustain our lifestyle. But in India, we are still able to talk about 40, 45, and 50. So the things have been changing. So we have to make sure how we can sustain our lifestyle by the finance, but we have to manage our mind and ourselves much more. So please, whenever we are doing this session today, even though it is more financial comfort, but indirectly I'm trying to say, make sure what makes you feel happy and do that work. Most of us, we keep talking about inflation, we never talk about lifestyle. And the lifestyle keeps changing. And you must have seen, like yesterday, somebody was asking that, oh, that person's have a brand, some XYZ, and that is costing 3 lakhs. And I was telling, what's wrong with them? You are going to buy 3 lakhs. I don't know the brand, neither I am bothered about what she or he is wearing. So I said, no, no, like a lot of time people do for others. And I was thinking that maybe it depends on others. I don't say there's something wrong in spending, but make sure that your all goals are taken care and do when you are having a comfort zone. Don't buy some brands or something because your other friends and families of people are buying it. Very important, because things are being differentiating, because it's more than inflation. Why so important now to have a retirement planning is because the fixed rates are going down. Our inflation is 6%. Previously, we used to have, I can say, all family as a joint family coming, helping together and all. Now we are nuclear family. Medical facilities are going very costly. Previously, lifespan was around 56 to 60. On an average, if you see here, maybe we are not so great in medical side, but our lifespan has gone much higher than 80, 85 plus. So we all has to make sure that we are good with the same lifestyle. It's very, very difficult to change somebody's lifestyle, I can tell you. The person I have seen that came to me, that very old auntie, she is 66 or 67, and she said, it's very difficult for me to manage with two servants. I said, why, auntie? So old age, nobody is there, two servants is more than enough. No, I wanted, because I used to have previously 4 or 5 servants and they should take care XYZ. And I was just trying to explain her, you can't have a more servant than you in your house. But she says, no, that's the way I have lived in. So I don't want it to have lower. So it's in the mindset, even so much work is there or not, I need a 4 or 5 servants. So it's very difficult when you go and speak with different people. They have a different perspective. They may be right, but have a lifestyle clear and make sure that how to continue the same lifestyle. What are the pillars that support for your journey? That's very, very important. Our family, finances. I'm talking about finance today. How to be a freedom, how much you can take a risk, how ready we are, and how much return. So I'll just take one calculation. So please make sure you are able to see my calculator. Please tell me. You're able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
So this calculator is talking about how much money you require for the household income. So most of the time, when I started asking anybody that how much money you require monthly, so very easily people comes, somebody came with 30,000, 50,000 and all, and I said, please calculate. So of course we have a household income Excel. If you want, we can send it across. But when I start sending and sitting with them, no, one by one, I can bet you most of the time it is 50%. If they're saying you have to add 50 more percent, because we most of the time never add the annual or by half yearly money. So I'll give you a few examples, like our kids fees goes annually. So many all are, I don't know, I can say that internets and other things we do it. All the vacations, our birthdays, anniversaries, and all the festivals, money comes as an annual basis. So we do spend on those. We have a plan for that, but we don't add it into the monthly. Please make sure those as annual divided by 12 is monthly household income required for a retirement. So I've given an example here for 1 lakh. If current age is at 30, we can change this Excel I'm going to share with you. You can change the dates and you can find it out. Your human life value, this is the actual value you have to think about in your grandpas or any of the grannies who lived the natural life the longest, because this is also genetically proven that on a natural level your life will be that long. So if it normally, otherwise default we take 85, but otherwise nowadays a lot of people says no, my grandmother or grandfather, my mother is at 90, so we just take it across at 90. So this person whom I have spoken with is the person who has asked me to take in 90. So let me take an 85 as a default if you want. Retirement at as 45, as we are doing today's session to how to retire at 45. So the same 1 lakh at today's value or when you are at 30 is becoming 2.39 values. So I'm just going to explain you. It's a very simple formula. I'm doing a future value at 6% inflation. And when you are 45, 45 minus 30 means 15 more years. Today's 1 lakh is becoming 2.39 lakhs. So indirectly, I have to make sure when I'm planning, you are getting 2.4 lakhs money equivalent from 45 years till 85 per month. Okay. So this is very important to find it out how much money. So when I have been asking somebody, they said, no, Rachna, give me 1 lakh only constant. So most of us, we don't realize it. What is 1 lakh today after 45 or at 60? It may not be 1 lakh. And when I'm taking in a constant, I may not continue the same lifestyle. You have to make sure that you continue. This is another story. I have reverse also happening. A lot of time people, because of online working and flexi things, a lot of people are moving from the cities to the, I can say tier 2 cities or something. And recently happened to one of my customer moved from Bangalore to Coimbatore, and he says, Rachna, my lifestyle cost is becoming half. So sometimes it do happens that people have done other way also. Put it across the what is a corpus required when you are going to retire. So at 45, you should have 3.37 crores. So I have just done a simple formula, which I'm going to explain you here. I'm saying 1.88 divided by 12. I will tell you what is 1.88. 1.88 is called real rate of return. Real rate of return means when you're retiring, I'm expecting 8% returns and 6% inflation. You can think of maximum indirectly 2% is the difference. I'm getting 8 and giving 6. So 2% is the difference. That's why I've divided by 12. I have taken an 85 minus 45, which is and multiply by 12 and equivalent to 1 lakh, how I'm going to take care. So instead of 1 lakh here, I will be talking about, so that 1 lakh is becoming 2.39 lakhs. So it will become how much it is going to be. So when I have already realized it, when I am 45, I should have a 8 crores. And if I have to have a 8 crore after 15 years, how much money I should have it as a one time or as per month saving. So this is what I have done a per month saving. It's called PMT. And PMT is like a monthly how you do it for EMI and all. So easier way you can think of here is you play around with this. So I need a 75,000. How much compounding effect is being doing. So you can see that how different it is going to be. So most of the time you keep changing these values and you will realize it how much monthly I should save to make sure to do this. So I am giving a disclaimer here. I have taken 6% inflation. After post-retirement, I'm taking as a 8% returns. And till your retirement, I'm taking as a 12% return on the high risk. Even though you may go around 14%, but normally when we are taking a cash flow, I'm taking at a 12%. So that is what I have done it. I'll just stop it and start back. To tell how to make the process. So process is as usual, I said, it is a smart process where it is simple, systematic, measure, calculate corpus, which is what I have done it. I have already done S&M, asset allocation, risk adjusted returns, and what if analysis. So when I was doing calculation, I was just trying to do what if analysis. Instead of 45, if I want to retire at 50, you can change it. If I wanted to do at 1 lakh, I wanted at 75, I can do it. What if analysis are many more, because I'll give you another day somebody came and told me, Rashna, I wanted to be having an aggressive investment for the next 5 years. The next 10 years, I am not going to invest, neither I'm going to withdraw. Then I will start withdrawing from 60. So that is a very common thing is coming, because they say, Rachna, I am going to have a corporate life till next 5 years. Then I will do some work which will I can manage my household. But then afterwards, I will be retiring and doing a whatever work. So that's a one kind of what if we can have it. Another what if is the people have telling most of the time that, okay, I will be not taking inflation linked. I will do the inflation only after 4 or 5 years. So that's another way. So mainly people do what if analysis two way, very common. One is playing around with the monthly money, which is a lot of compounding things comes, because today 1 lakh, after 10 years, it will become a 1.8 lakhs perspective. Second is that you play around with your investment corpus cycle, because how long you are going to invest. If you are 30, it makes different. If you are started 35, it will become much huge, because the compounding values are lesser. So what we have to do it, the simple and systematic is the one thing which I always say is that it is a mindset. I met another person who was very young and this is Rashna, I wanted to start. So I said, for me, it doesn't matter what is the money you're going to. I don't know how much you're going to start, but I'm very happy because you're starting at very young. You have a power of compounding and you can start doing it. Most of the time, we have a different belief and mindset, and that's why we don't do it. But to achieve any, I can say, goal, even it's in our office, in a finance, if it is in, you can say, in a health side, simple thing of discipline and your long-term thinking or patience will pay you off. I can bet you for anywhere, because I have tried that in my work, I have tried in my working in a health-wise also, and even for the money. It works wonders. Make sure you have a good asset allocation. Very important part of it. How to take care, how much is your debt and how much is in equity. So when I was trying to explain somebody cash flow, I just told them, see, the reason I have made your portfolio is that even the market is bad for the next 5 years. You have enough money to make sure the next 5 years, irrespective of market, you are getting a monthly your pension plan. That comfort of that will make a people to go ahead or not to go ahead. And that's where it's called asset allocation. So make sure that you have a good asset allocation, taking care of a good time, bad times, because your needs have to be taken care. More important is emotional part. We always think that only how's the XIRR works, how's the return works, how's everything works. But however, I have met so many people, it's the peace of mind of achieving goal works the wonders. That emotion is more important than what I'm getting across. Then talking about how to calculate, I have already taken care today. Risk and returns, very important. This is like I always feeling this is the recency bias is the one thing which eats my head last few days or few months. Whoever calls me will say that, Rachna, I don't want a risk, but can I have around 15 to 30% returns? And I don't know that time I should laugh or I cry. And sometimes when I am, I keep thinking, is it I'm becoming too rude or too straightforward to say? Because this is no, they are telling me they will give me 30% return. And I said, yes, I'll be happy to have a tea with you and you can go with them. And that made a people thinking that why you are not taking me. And one of the persons started arguing with me that no, I want you to take me as a what you call as a customer. And I said, no, I will not take you as customer. So he was very surprised and he says, no, I wanted to know. I said, you have to understand, very rarely, I don't know about others, at least I don't take any customer where my expectation and my thinking doesn't match. A person asking me 30% is not possible. It is possible of 1 year, 2 years, because market is good. In 10 years, nobody can give you 30% returns. If somebody is giving it, they are fooling ourselves. So I was trying to explain him, that forget it, mine, even Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, Warren Buffett, their XIRRs, if you're saying about 30, 36 years, is coming between 21 and 24. Why? So he's explaining me they have made a lot of mistakes. I don't want to make a mistake. So I was much more surprised other way around. Who am I to bet those two people who are being talking about the, I think, the god of investments kind of it. So I always believe the risk and returns are very simple. These are the concept will never go wrong. If somebody is telling you, there should be some risk which their unknown risk may be there. Okay. So I just give a simple mathematics of low risk. What is low risk? Where your interest is very clear and your principal is clear. What are those options? It's like an FD, you have a MIS, post office schemes, you can have a bonds. So what are those low risk people are giving you? It's around 4.5%, 5%. Tax-free bonds are, as of today, is at 4.8. So somebody is government bond, because you don't realize it, the bonds, government bonds are the person, half of the fixed return funds use those only. So who borrows the most money is actually government, not enough anybody else. So if the government bonds, where underlying funds of all these fixed funds are government bonds, is giving me 4.8, how the hell I can give you 8 to 9%, which I'm saying is the low risk? There is a risk in FD. Everybody knows that. That if it is an NPA, I will get only 5 lakhs, even if I have 50 crores in my FD. But people are not being aware of. So bonds, we have seen Franklin Templeton, all the debt funds, liquidity issues. So most of the time, I can say there's a difference between a no risk and the low risk. Okay. But in the low risk, people can expect plus and minus of little bit on the government bonds. Okay. That's the first part. Talking about equity in the long run, you let us take about the Nifty itself, 10 years rolling period is around 14.8. So, which is a large cap fund. So if somebody is giving you 14 to 15% return in the long term, it's good, because this is the bull, or I can say market high. So that's why showing. Otherwise, 12 to 14 is a good range. When you're talking about equity 12 to 14, the weighted average, you can say the balance fund, depending on you're taking a 70 at equity or 30 at debt, or 50-50, you can easily find it out. It's around 9 to 10. These are the data I'm talking about, 30 years, 40 years kind of data, and then to rolling return data. But there are, I can say, stocks has given, there's no doubt. Single stocks can give you. Single product can give you. But when we are talking about, you talk about your portfolio, because you are trying to make sure you achieve your financial goals. Okay. So that is the one of the reason. Please try to take care. I always feel you have the best available data is Google. You don't have to believe. If I can say you 20% people are telling lies in a Google, 80% are also telling the truth also. So make sure that you understand, you buy what you understand, and what you like, you do it. Don't do what my friend says, my uncle says, my auntie says, and that's why. So this reminds me, even my mom has gone and she says, no, that person was crying that is not able to do the target, and I felt very bad and I invested. And I said, what's wrong with you? You don't understand, because she was crying, you wrote that. So I was teasing my mother, you must have, I only must have cried and got the money from you. So I'm trying to say, don't go into emotional trap. When you are investing, take a logical step. What you understand, you invest. Very important, these two parts. Successful investing take time, discipline, and patience. No matter how great the talent and effort, something just take time. You can't produce a baby in 1 month by getting 9 women pregnant. So very important part. It's my all-time favorite. I love when I feel very privileged to born in a, I can say, army person's family, because that's where it is ingrained in our life from the day one, that how we have to be disciplined, and that's very important part of it. Think long term always is the second beautiful quote for me, is someone sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree long time back. So we have to understand, we have to do much earlier, start plan early. This is the another point I keep trying to tell people. When we are going for in a movie, which is maybe I can say 1,000 to 2,000 rupees, where we are planning which movie to go, where to go, what time to go, who all will come, which seat to select. Nowadays, people go in that league also, which seat to select, what to eat there. We spent 3 hours for that stupid movie of 2,000 bucks, and which we entertain ourselves for 3 years. So why we can't spend time for 3 hours, or maybe more than little more than 3 hours, whom we are going to privilege for 30 years? Because if we are retiring at 45, and an average, if I'm saying about 85, so I am talking about 40 years of your happiness, which you have to plan for. So please try to do that part of it. So this is another thing which we always.
Napoleon, a French emperor who conquered much of Europe in the early 19th century. One mistake that cost Napoleon Bonaparte in loss during the Battle of Waterloo was to delay the attack. The night before the battle, there was a rain, and his cavalry and infantry were tired. Napoleon was in dilemma whether to attack or to wait for one day. His delay in attacking made Persian army to reach the battleground to help Wellington of Waterloo to win the war against Napoleon. If Napoleon Bonaparte had marched an attack earlier in the morning, the Persian army would not have reached there at the battleground on time, and he would have won. Similarly, delays in putting your money to work through investments can eventually end up costing you a lot. We often tend to delay investing with very nice excuses. But have you ever thought, how much would it cost you? Let's find out. By starting an SIP of Rs 5,000 at the age of 25 for retirement can help you to create the wealth of Rs 2.81 crore at the age of 55 when you retire. But if you delay in decision of starting an SIP by 6 months only, you would create the wealth of Rs 2.62 crore. Just 6 months delay in starting an SIP can cost you 19 lakh rupees loss. To save yourself from the cost of delay, start investing now. Mutual.
So I have already spoken this, so I'll just try to put it across what are the different asset class, as I told, low, medium, and high. This is another things I wanted to tell you. High is a lot of time I have seen future in options, people have lost money. If you are playing around, be very careful. We don't do it, but it's another trend is coming on a crypto. Quite a lot of people says that you, more than anything else, my son itself, we keep saying that if I put the 5,000 today, after 5 days, I'll get a double the money. And I keep saying that you will learn, but you have to realize if everybody can make it in a 5 days, having a double the money, he will not be doing that. This is another things I was laughing across. We got one pamphlet in one of the advisor group. He is giving a training of how to make money at 30-50% in a weekly time, and the course is around 7,000 bucks. So I was telling to one of my friend, a person who is giving a training at making 30% in a week's time, he may not be giving a training at 7K. He must be next to the Mukesh Ambani by now. So sometimes we have to realize it, what works in what kind of bull run. When there is a market up, everybody is a fund manager. But how much you can take a risk in which asset class, be clear. That is very important for you. There are different options when you are trying to talk about after retirement planning. This is a post-retirement where you wanted to take a low risk. Low risk is normally bonds, mutual fund, retirals, insurance. Not many times previously people used to have a rentals coming quite a lot. Nowadays rentals is becoming yield of around 2 to 2.5%. So people are also not looking rentals so much. People are becoming more on a liquid assets kind of it. But last few years, 2, 3 years, I think so, guaranteed pension plans has becoming a very big fare. Because okay, you pay for 10 years and get 25 years. That's becoming a very, very big things nowadays, because they are giving around 6 to 6.5% XIRR tax free, which is equivalent to like a 99% of your FD. So that's another things which is going very high. Bonds is always is a good things to have it in your portfolio. So while I'm closing this part of it, I always think you keep these 5 things in your mind. Always check your returns post tax, post inflation should be greater than zero for the longer term. That's what we are looking for. Have a good equation between we call a debt equity debt, but you can say fixed return kind of it. Make sure that you have a funds versus liquidity. This is the very common thing. I don't know how many customers I have examples where when the portfolio net worth comes around 5-6 crores, and when I see the liquidity of an emergency of 30 lakhs also may not be there. Ask this question: one time versus regular investment. A lot of time people don't know how long you have to invest and how long you can get it across is the one things you have to understand. So I'm happy to have question and answers from you. Thank you.
Ma'am, this is one question from Sudhar Sanam. Do we account inflation during retirement period?
Yes. Yes, person, I didn't know the name, please. So if you notice, when I was doing a calculation, I have taken a real rate of return, and real rate of return is actually return minus your inflation, and that's where we got it across. Any other questions? So anyone can unmute and talk, or Nidisha, you can ask me.
Yes, ma'am. There's one more question which came from Sanjeev. If I'm already 53, how this scheme can help me?
There is nothing called a scheme here. I'm not talking about a single product or something. Lot of time we call that as a retirement planning. So as I told you last week also, we got a lot of time people say, Rachna, I've got a lump sum money with my retirals, PF, PPF, gratuity and all. How to invest, where to invest, so I can get a monthly input because I may not be pensioned. So that's where we try to help them to convert into a different buckets we call the debt, balance and equity. Make sure that you get a systematic withdrawal plan from a debt for the next 3 years without link to the market. And then to make sure that you are getting better than a FD returns and tax optimized. Yeah. Anything else?
Yeah, there is this person named Atul Chaudhary. He's asking to unmute. Atul, we have unmuted you. You can go ahead with your question.
Yeah. Hi, Rachna. Atul here.
Yes, Atul.
Thanks for such a wonderful session. I have one question. Actually, I am regularly investing in SIPs. Also, I have added few shares also. My age is currently 47. And actually, earlier I was doing it through one person, but now currently I'm doing my own. Those are my direct funds. So my question to you is that do you provide some service like this retirement plan? Like I have some corpus. So with reference to that corpus, my existing SIPs, can you guide me or can you give me this type of services that at this point I can be I can take the retirement like that. So I'm very clear that the SIPs are direct funds, means like what I am asking, that you take some fees as a lump sum from me and give me these services that you can guide me. So these type of services, is it possible from you?
Yeah, so I forgot, normally I don't do this. We are Right Horizons, as I said, 18 years we finished. We are the SEBI advisor and we have a PMS also. So if somebody asks for a advisory like you to continue the direct funds or wherever they want, we do help them. So I will ask my team to speak with you. If our time permits, I will also call you and understand and help you out.
Sure, Rachna. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Yeah.
Ma'am, Sanjeev is asking, I need to know that, do I need to open a fresh demat with you?
See, these are the very common questions we want. We always try to find, there is nothing called it's a mandatory. If you are able to do yourself, we can just take the pure advisory from us and do it yourself. A lot of people do that. But most of our customers as on today is two levels. The people who don't have a time to execute, that's what they come in. And another one, they may not have the so much of knowledge to do it. So we have normally those two kind of people. But yes, we do have a pure advisory. We give an advisory and you can execute wherever you want. But it's like a me coming back from, I can say, IT side. I worked in Wipro for 7-8 years and Infosys 7 years. So indirectly 15 years working in a corporate life. So we used to say it's like a fixed bid versus a TNM, time and money. So it's like that. So if your fixed bid is like you are asking us, you are making us accountable to execute for you. And time and money is I'm just giving a recommendation, but if you have not done on time, you are accountable for. So most of the time it depends on your type of work and your expertise that you will be able to do, because you must have seen the market sometimes has gone quite a lot. So even different companies who are in advisory, who were doing only pure advisory, they have just switching across to the execution, because people sometimes are not able to execute on time for what may be the reason, or traveling or something, and the portfolio is not working as well as the advisory. But yes, options are always open.
Ma'am, there are two questions regarding, can you please explain your PMS scheme and also about the charges and what is the minimum amount to be invested?
Okay, so I'll just take this offline and one-to-one I'll speak, but for generic, for a public, for everybody, PMS is a portfolio management services. It's like a mutual fund you are buying, and the same format is a PMS. The difference is mutual fund you can start with 500 rupees, and PMS is a minimum requirement is a 50 lakhs, because it's given by the SEBI. So that's the difference. So you can have it like a large cap, mid cap, balance, multi cap mutual fund. Similarly, it is there in the PMS also. So because this is not in a PMS, I will share it next time. Please join us, because our PMS team is going to do alpha stories, how they are been performing, and our PMS strategies are coming in a top 5 in across the India. Please, Sanjeev, ask any questions.
Yeah, madam. I'm from Pune. My name is Sanjeev. Okay.
Sanjeev?
I was actually I was asking regarding exactly what is the minimum amount which if we have to avail your services for the PMS.
50 lakhs.
Okay.
Yeah, it's
And
not my minimum. It's been SEBI has given 50 lakhs.
okay. And if we feel that amount is big, there is no any second option available.
So you don't have to. I always tell people, don't go straight away to the PMS because the highest risk. Start with the financial planning, which we start with an SIP and do the investment. When you achieve above 50 lakhs, then you move to the portfolio management services. So anybody can start with any amount with the right horizons. PMS service, because it's a mandatory by SEBI, it is 50 lakhs.
No, madam. Actually, you see, that's what I was asking. My age is already 53 now. Okay.
Okay.
And I was doing SIPs for last 15-20 years. And I have gathered a good corpus with me, and I've come out of my job now. Okay.
Okay, good.
And ultimate my aim is to get the financial freedom or independence. So that's why I started my own some small type of business now. But ultimately, whatever corpus I'm having, I want to again remultiply it when in next 7 to 8 years. So when I don't have a type of income which I used to have in last 10 years, but I have got a good corpus now, how we can again reinvest that money and get maximize the our this one, okay, returns.
That's what we do. We call that as wealth management, where the lump sum money people give it across. And then this is what are their goals. You can say that, okay, you maximize now, or somebody says, okay, you maximize after 5 years, you start giving me regular payout as a retirement. These things we keep doing under the wealth management fund. We do that, Sanjeev.
So if we have to contact for that, do we have any local office here in Pune, or we have to?
We have people, because nowadays after COVID, there is no office on the business center side, but We have it a person in Mumbai, Gurgaon, Chennai, and Bangalore.
So where we can get their contact numbers, madam?
Yeah, I can do that, but I can ask my team because most of the time nowadays world is too small. So a lot of time we do through Zoom, and normally if somebody asks for the face-to-face, then we will do the face-to-face.
And
I'll
can we,
ask somebody to do that.
yeah,
Yes.
can we get some more information regarding this right horizon? What is its exact background and how is the past performance?
Yes, yes. Thanks for giving that opportunity. As I told you, we are 18 years old and having SEBI advisory, PMS, IRDA. IRDA means we can have an insurance, all 48 companies, group insurance, GI, LI, LI is the life insurance. We have a 1500 crores of AUM, which is AUM means asset under management. Anil Regu is the founder and CEO, and one of our directors is myself. So we have around 50 employees working in 4 different locations. So I'll be happy to ask my team to speak with you and speak one-to-one and understand you and how to help you out. Thank you.
Yeah, where is the head office, madam?
Bangalore.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Any other questions, Nandisha? I'll take last
Yes,
two.
ma'am. Last question. It's from Amit Desai. Is it advisable for PMS after retiring?
I have most of my customers on PMS who are above 60. Okay. So why I'll tell you that why, because a lot of time I've opened last month also one of the person, because we have one of the scheme in Right Horizons which we supposed to call as a pension plan scheme, but SEBI didn't allow the word use pension, we call alliance. So that is a balance fund where you can keep changing balance fund as your age goes. So we have a 70% debt, 30% equity, 50% debt, 50% equity, 70% equity and 30%. So depending on you, we keep changing that and making sure that you get the monthly payouts for that. So a lot of time, if somebody comes and tell me, I want like an FD, which is better than FD returns, but I want a capital protection. So they takes normally 70% debt and 30% equity. So we are able to make sure that they're getting a monthly payouts also, and they have a protection also on a longer run and getting a better than FD. So that's the one of the reason our PMS is actually on that fund works very, very well. So not necessarily all PMS is only equity. So that's a mindset of the people. People think that PMS is only for a high returns and equity. We have a PMS where we try to say people how to get a better than FD and have a comfort to give you the regular payouts. Yeah, Nidisha?
Yes, ma'am. So Sanjeev is asking, you have told you're the 5th largest wealth management company. Who are other 4 and who are your peers?
So I will rectify the things. So I think so. I didn't mean that. I said we are coming top 5 in our PMS list. So if you go to the PMS Bazaar or PMS AIF, they are the 2 portals who rank PMS schemes. Okay, that's the way it comes. So for our competitors will be all of the, I can say, bank wealth management firms. You can say the people who are, so we comes under boutique firms. So we will be, as per the AUM, we comes under 5th under South City, Bangalore, India South. But in a ranking, in a PMS schemes I'm talking about, we were in the top 5. So you can just write Right Horizons PMS, or there are the only 2 portal in India who give the ranking. So which is called PMS Bazaar and PMS AIF. Like how you see the ranking in a mutual fund called Value Research or Money Control, like that you have in a PMS. So they are, that's where I was talking about, that our schemes are coming under top 5 there.
Okay, one more question, Devendra. What is the compound annual growth rate returns of Right Horizons PMS on first, second, and third year basis?
I will send it across. I may not have by heart it by now, but on an average, if it is a multi-class, multi-cap, which will be, if I'm not wrong, 14.5. And if it is small and mid, it will be around 18 to 19%. I'm talking about longer term. I'm not talking about last 1 or 2 years. Last 1 and 2 years, some of the fund has gone 120% returns also. So normally I never try to ask people to look at short-term returns, because last 2 years returns are amazingly high. So that should not be the reason to invest, because next 2 years may not be the same. So always try to look 5 years kind of, or 3 years plus 5 years, because that will give you the bull and little bit of bear also.
Okay,
Yeah.
ma'am, this will be the last question I'm taking for today from Vikas. At our initial corpus of 50 lakhs with 70% debt, how much we expect monthly return as pension? Just approximate, expect. I know rest depends on the market.
So normally we say that it's easier to say if somebody wants a payout, to take it around a 7% payout. So 7 5 is a 35, 3.5 lakhs divided by 12 should be your monthly output you should do. But on a longer run, it comes around 8% odd.
Yes, ma'am, that's all.
Thank you, everybody. Have a wonderful weekend and enjoy yourself. Be happy, spread happiness. Next series for next week for us, as I told you, it will be from our PMS team, where they are talking about Alpha series. Alpha series is a series where they take one of the stocks and how they are been performing so well. So have fun and enjoy. I'll be happy to connect with you. Please write my email and number if you want to talk to me directly. Otherwise, team will be sending you the feedback session and the video of this, and Excel also. You can play around and let us know if you want help. Thank you. Bye-bye.